In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the favorites bar to Microsoft Edge. First, let's open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you find it, just click on it. As the browser launches, you will notice a clean, user-friendly interface that is designed for easy navigation. This is where we will start customizing your browsing experience. Opening Microsoft Edge is crucial because it allows us to access all the settings we need to adjust. Next, look for the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the window. This menu is often referred to as the More menu, and it contains various options for customizing and controlling your browser. Once you locate the three dots, click on them. This action opens a drop-down list filled with options, making it easy to navigate through the settings. It is important to know where this menu is because it serves as your gateway to all the features and settings within Microsoft Edge. From there, select Settings from the drop-down menu. When you click on Settings, a new page will load, displaying various categories and options for your browser. This section is where you can make important adjustments to how Edge functions. You will see options for privacy, security, and appearance, among others. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this settings page is beneficial as it will allow you to optimize your browsing experience further. Now go to the Appearance section by clicking on it in the left-hand menu. This section is dedicated to customizing the visual aspects of your Edge browser, which can make your browsing more enjoyable. As you click on Appearance, you will see options that allow you to change themes, show or hide the favorites bar, and adjust other interface settings. Understanding how to navigate this section is important because it helps you personalize your browser to fit your needs. Next, find the option labeled Show Favorites Bar. This setting controls the visibility of the favorites bar within your browser. When you locate it, you will see a few choices to select from. This step is crucial because the favorites bar is a handy tool for quick access to your most visited sites, making your online activity smoother and more efficient. Choose your preferred option for the favorites bar. You can select Always to show the favorites bar on every page. This means the bar will always be visible. Alternatively, you can choose Only on New Tabs, which limits the bar's visibility to new tab pages. Lastly, if you prefer to keep things minimal, you can select Never, which hides the favorites bar completely. Making this selection is key as it directly influences how easily you can access your favorite websites. Once you have made your choice, be sure to check if any changes are automatically saved. You will typically see a confirmation appear, indicating that your preferences have been updated. This confirmation gives you peace of mind knowing that your settings are now configured as desired. Now you're all set. You have successfully added the favorites bar to Microsoft Edge. Enjoy quick access to your favorite sites, enhancing your browsing experience. This little customization saves you time and makes navigating the web much easier. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.